Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about why these are the 10 best hotels for solo travelers in the US. So let's start my video. These are the 10 best hotels for solo travelers in the US. Summary: The Holiday Inn Express, the Nevada offers comfort and convenience for solo travelers with nearby attractions like Cotting College and the Champion Diamonds Baseball Complex. Jury Inn and Suites and Phoenix provides complimentary amenities and embody the family renovated the Parade Springs, perfect for solo explorer looking for experience. Arizona also recommendation and easy access to the enchanting Rivers Walk, as the illustration illustrates Maya Angelou once proclaimed all great achievement require time, and indeed the most profound of solo journey take time to savor. As they for thus who choose to embark on this accomplish the destination are limitless and the experience boundless. From the charming small town of Nevada to the beautiful small town the Arizona to United States offers a great mix of landscape, culture, and memories waiting to be unearthed. Imagine India Raiders a world where each step taken is a story waiting to be told, and every horizon holds a promise of new experience. In this mosaic of solitary journey across the vast expanse of United States is a collection of the 10 finest hotels tailored for interspecies solo travelers emerge. Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Nevada and IHG Hotels. Step into a world of possibilities at the Holiday Inn Express in charming Nevada. As the sun casts its golden glow on this hidden gem, solo travelers dips themselves in the warm embrace of comfort and convenience. The Holiday Inn Cheergrass of Suites, Nevada is heaven designed with the discreet solo Highway 54. In the heart of business, the solo traveler discovers that website like no other. For thus with a quest for knowledge, Corte College beckons it holds icon, echoing with the wisdom of generation. For the solo traveler seeking a dash of underline, Nevada offers a different kind of thrill racing. In the heart of Nevada, adventure is the heartbeat of every day. The monotony is but distance, arms ready to make one journey and adventure of unforgettable moment. Duty Inn and Suites Phoenix Happy Valley. Duty Inn and Suites Phoenix Happy Valley duration understand the unique needs of solo breakfast, Wi-Fi, dinner time, snacks, soft drink, and even popcorns. For thus we need to stay productive. There is a well-equipped business center. Fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routine in the workout facilities. Pictures you drives near Phoenix. Hotel Contessa. Hotel Contessa extend a warm welcome to solo travelers, offering the unique and ultimate suites experience at along the enchanting riverwalk of San Antonio. As guests step into this charming retreat, they will impressed by the source of guest design, drawing inspiration from the city rich history and vibrant culture. The enchant their stay solo adventures can experience the flavor of San Antonio at Ambler, Texas Kitchen Plus Cocktail, where a delightful array of agave cocktail and authentic Texas cuisine is served. Each of the hotel's vibrant and comfortable suites provide a deeper immersion into a city history and culture, immersion, a memorable and exciting experience for thus embarking on the solo journey. Hotel Contessa invites solo travelers in bars of Oasis. San Antonio is style for connection with the heart of the city. The Gallatin. For the solo traveler seeking in the East, Nashville adventure. The Gallatin stands as the newest gem in the heart of the vibrant neighborhood. The boutique hotel without the traditional concierge offer a welcoming haven for those looking to explore the area. Guests can unwind at the Lucky Duck Lounge, the room right next door, or venture out to discover the electric charm of East Nashville. Local sports downtown achievement becomes just a short 3 miles strip to the famous Broadway with over 1500 glowing 5-star reviews across the various platforms. The Gallatin promise a memorable stay in worth nothing back to room here. August 21 years old, the proof ID span arrive. It's the perfect home base to exploring the vibrant East Nashville scene. Country and Suites Acheville Rivers Art District. The Country Inn and Suites by Radisson at the Nashville Rivers Art District in the perfect haven for solo travelers seeking comfort and convenience. From the moment guests step into the inviting lobby, they feel right at home. Their welcoming hotels guests above the beyond that make guest stay memorable. Imagine starting the day with a delicious and complimentary hot breakfast, setting the perfect tone for beauty of North Carolina aperitif. As the evening settles, the great at this perfect lunch pad for the traveler. Exciting architecture adventure is amazing solo journey begins. Here's where hospitality and comfort meets. Leo's New Orleans Hotels. New Orleans is arguably one of the best vacation spots in the United States that won't break the back of any travelers. The energy of New Orleans comes alive. Canopy by Hilton, Portland waterfront. For the solo traveler seeking unforgettable experience in the heart of Portland, Maine, these waterfront hotels offer a perfect haven. Nestled along the picturesque shoreline is served as an ideal starting point for exploring the vibrant coastal city. While enjoying the stunning views, it's a place to unwind and refresh a coastal ambiance. Best Western Tony Inn. For the also travelers venturing with the vibrant Pigeon Forge, there are no better location explore all the wonders the region has to offer. Celebration. Town and Country Inn and Suites. Located just a short 15 minutes drive from the bustling port of Callison Cruise Terminal and Creighton Malls, this hotel offers the perfect best for those exploring the charm of Callison. Convenience is paramount with laptop, compatible safes and coffee, tea maker at hand, even staying connected with friends and families is made easy at the rooms are equipped with phones offering free local calls. Distance is no barrier exploration with key attractions such as the College of Callison and Charleston City making market just a short drive away, ensuring that the solo travelers can make the most of their Charleston adventure from the comfortable and welcoming town and Century Inn and Suites. The Godfrey Hotel Weston. In the heart of Wesley is the downtown. Costly is the Broadway Hotel bustling the solo, ensuring every guest feel like at home. Enjoy dining is the with the AC merch squaring the rich and dynamic experience laid back and front photo and a Boston by visitors. Some of Boston's most picturesque pedestrian friendly street. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the travel his affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।